Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts, to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home gym essentials. And I've got something truly special to share with you. Get ready to meet the best home barbells available in the market, the FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells. These aren't just any ordinary dumbbells, folks. They're a game changer for your home workout routine. Let's delve into what makes these adjustable dumbbells from FEIERDUN stand out from the rest. First off, versatility. With the FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells, you're not just getting a pair of dumbbells. You're getting a whole gym in one compact package. These innovative dumbbells can also transform into barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands. Whether you're into bench presses, squats, or kettlebell swings, these dumbbells have got you covered. Say goodbye to cluttered home gyms and hello to streamlined, efficient workouts. But it's not just about versatility, it's about durability too. FEIERDUN has crafted these dumbbells with high-quality materials to ensure they can withstand even the toughest workouts. The exterior is made of premium PE materials, while the interior is reinforced with iron, mud, and sand to prevent floor abrasion. And check out this non-slip dumbbell bar. With its ABS material and textured surface, you'll have a secure grip during every rep, minimizing the risk of accidents and maximizing your performance. Now, let's talk about customization. The FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells feature a detachable design, allowing you to adjust the weight range from 6 pounds to 25 pounds per dumbbell. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, these dumbbells adapt to your needs. And here's the best part. These versatile dumbbells won't take up much space in your home. With their compact design, they require less than 0.2 square meters of storage space. Say hello to a clutter-free workout area. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells, praising their quality, value, and versatility. From beginners to fitness enthusiasts, these dumbbells have earned the trust of countless users. So there you have it, folks. The FEIERDUN adjustable dumbbells, the best home barbells on the market. Whether you're looking to level up your home workouts or streamline your gym space, these dumbbells are a must-have. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay fit and stay fabulous.